Welcome to the channel. Here we master tricky words and their meanings. Today we're tackling a word that describes someone who is optimistic or cheerful, even in difficult situations. Sanguine. It might seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is sanguine. Let's break it down. First we have sang, which rhymes with hang and is the stressed syllable. Next is gwyn, which sounds like win. Now let's put it all together. Sanguine. Try repeating after me. Sanguine. Now a little faster. Sanguine. And at full speed. Sanguine. Keep practicing and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Sanguine refers to someone who is hopeful, positive, or cheerful, especially in difficult situations. It can also mean a reddish color, resembling the color of blood. And that's it. Now, you know how to pronounce sanguine and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.